You know, whenever you decide to start a business online, it can feel like someone just handed you a puzzle, but with half the pieces missing, right? You've got the ambition, you've got the drive, but you're just staring at all these parts, not really sure how they're supposed to fit together. And I bet this sounds familiar. You jump in, you're full of hope, but you pretty quickly get tangled up in all this confusing advice, these technical roadblocks you never saw coming, and costs that just seem to pile up. That dream of freedom starts to feel a lot more like a financial trap, and that is a seriously frustrating place to be. Now, a huge piece of that puzzle has always been building an email list. We've all heard it 1,000 times, the money is in the list. And you know what? It's true. But the way most people are taught to build that list, well, it's often the fastest way to just burn through your cash and your motivation. Yeah, the old playbook goes something like this. Create some kind of freebie, like an ebook, then spend a ton of money on ads just to get people to even see it. The big problem here? You end up with a list packed with freebie seekers who are never going to buy anything anyway, and you're left with a huge hole in your bank account with no sales to show for it. But what if you could just flip that whole model on its head? Seriously, what if instead of spending money to build a list, you actually got paid to build it? That's the whole idea we're looking at here, a totally different way to solve that online business puzzle. And this really lays it out perfectly. On one side, you've got the old way. You pay for ads, growth is super slow and painful, and you're just attracting people who want free stuff. But on the other side, you've got this new model where you're actually earning money from day one. You're seeing way faster results, and this is key. You're building a list of actual, proven buyers. It's a massive shift from being a cost to being profitable, right from the get-go. So, who's the brain behind this? The system was put together by John Thornhill, and this guy's not some flash in the pan. He's been a top seller on ClickBank since way back in 2006, and has personally coached over 3,000 entrepreneurs. In fact, his students have generated something like $23 million in sales, so he's definitely got the track record. So John took his entire process and packed it into what he calls a business in a box. And the idea is pretty simple, to give you a completely ready-made business that you can get up and running in just a few minutes, even if you have zero technical skills or experience. And inside that box is basically everything you need to handle all the hard parts. You're getting the high-converting webinar that does all the selling for you, a whole suite of products to promote, from little tripwire offers to get people in the door to monthly subscriptions for that recurring revenue, plus a 2-tier affiliate program. It's all pre-built, taking all those technical headaches off your plate. That number, 99, that's for the 99-day email sequence that comes with the system. It's completely automated. So once a new lead joins your list, these emails start going out all on their own, building trust and promoting different offers without you having to lift a finger. Now, this part is pretty incredible. It's about getting traffic. John himself takes your unique link and promotes it to his own massive email list of over 127,000 subscribers for 99 days straight. I mean, that is a huge amount of targeted traffic sent right to your offers starting from day one. Okay, so this all sounds great, but the big question is, how do you actually make money with it? Well, the whole system is built around high-ticket commissions. And what that means is you don't need hundreds and hundreds of sales to make a really significant income. Here's a quick look at how the funnel is structured. It starts with the main offer, and then it presents a high-ticket upsell. After that, your leads get offered other products and coaching inside the members area. And because every single lead is hard-coded to you, you earn a commission on anything they buy. Forever. And the numbers here, they can be pretty substantial. Get this, when just one person goes through that entire sales funnel and buys the main offers, your potential commission from that single customer can be as high as $3,243. That's from just one person. And this isn't just theory, you know? There are some big, real-world results backing this up. For instance, one of the top affiliates using this exact system has pulled in over $500,000 in commissions. Another person brought in over 50 grand just by spending a few minutes a week posting on Facebook. So the real question is, who is this actually built for? Because let's be clear, this isn't some magic get-rich-quick button. It's a very structured system, and it's designed for a certain kind of person who's really serious about building a business. This system really shines for a few specific groups of people. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur who feels lost, it gives you a clear roadmap. If you're an affiliate marketer who's been struggling, it gives you a proven funnel. It's also perfect for people who have limited time and can't create their own products, or for anyone who really dislikes the idea of direct selling, since the whole thing is automated. Honestly, the best way to see if this is a good fit for you is to check out the free training session that John offers. It breaks down the entire model in way more detail. If that sounds interesting, you can find the access links for it right down in the description area. So it really leaves you with a fascinating question to think about. In a world that's just filled with complicated and expensive ways to start a business, could a complete, done-for-you system like this actually be the new blueprint for what success looks like online?